Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and today we're going to do an approach graft. So I have a seedling right here. This is a mango seedling, and I have a fruit punch mango that's grafted, and we are going to take this seedling and graft it onto this branch here. But we are going to not remove the top of the seedling. We're going to graft it something like this so that these two branches can fuse together. And once we know that they're fused together, then we're going to remove the top of this branch here. So what we want to do is figure out exactly where we're going to be putting these two branches together. And I think it's going to be pretty much right along here. So we're going to make this edge as flat as we can and expose the cambium. The cambium is the layer right underneath the bark. So we've made a little slit here. You can see that. And we don't want to go too deep because we just want to get to the cambium. So we're going to cut a slit here. Just remove some of the bark. And we're going to tie that up. This is probably a two-man job, but I'm only one. So we do the best we can. We want to get that nice and tight. We don't want to see any daylight between the two. And we're going to wait about 3 months or so. And these two should bond together. And then once we have that happen, we'll cut the top off of the seedling and we will have a new fruit punch mango tree, which will be this seedling here. And I'll show you guys what I mean by that, right? So we want this tree to incorporate this tree into it. So once it does, and we know that this is growing, then we can cut off the rest of this seedling here, and this top of the seedling will become part of this tree here, and then we cut this off, and now we have a new seedling here, and it's a fruit punch mango, all right? At about 6 weeks, we want to start decreasing the branch's dependence on the main tree. So we're just going to cut a little nick in here and just disrupt the flow of energy coming from the main plant. And that's going to encourage this branch to be a little more dependent on getting energy from the seedling. So now we are going to do the final stage, which is severing the support that this branch is getting from the main tree, which is a fruit punch mango, and forcing it to take its energy from this seedling here, and then the graft is complete. So here we go. And, oh, let's separate that from there. We've got it tied around the trunk of this tree here. There we go. So now we have a new, wow, we've got roots going in the ground. We've got a new mango tree that is now a fruit punch mango instead of a seedling. So this is now a mature tree, and this tree should fruit in a couple years instead of having to wait 10 years for a fruit. All right? See you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you learned something, hit the like button, subscribe. All right? See ya. Bye.